Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 in an LTZ trim, powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax Turbodiesel engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with a pretty substantial lift, as you can probably tell, with Fox shocks in the front and rear, fender flares, mud flaps on the front and rear, steps so you can actually get into the truck. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet in the middle. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, as well as having a premium Bose sound system. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 120,991 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip A and B information, fuel range, oil life, fuel economy, trip timer, speed limit, fuel filter life, transmission fluid, temperature, diesel exhaust fluid status, and then you can also go into your audio, phone, and navigation controls and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your heated steering wheel button and pre-collision assist. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls, and light controls. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, Bluetooth, and I believe auxiliary capable, so you have quite a few options there. You do have a navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. And shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and your climate controls with dual zone front climate. To the left, you have your controls, left or right. You have your controls for your heated and air-conditioned front seats. Further down, you have your power adjustable pedals, traction control shutoff, your box cargo lights, park assist sensor shutoff, lane keeping assist, hill descent assist, and diesel exhaust brake. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving down to your center console area, where you have 2 USBs, 115 volt power outlet, and 2 12 volt power outlets, so you can plug something into power or charge. And then you've got a deep bin here, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest with a wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. And inside you have a ton of room, including 2 USBs and auxiliary, and another 12 volts, so you can hook up your audio or plug something else into power or charge. Looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a power moonroof, so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.